Hello and welcome, all the great educators of this world. It is my proud privilege to invite you all for this conference. The topic is multidisciplinary education, which is the current topic of the decade 2021. And I want to thank the patron, Dr. Hukum Singh of this Raj Rishi Mahavidyalaya, that he is organizing such wonderful conferences for the betterment of the educational fraternity. Last 2 or 3 such trainings and conferences have already been organized with the great efforts from Professor Dr. Mamta Sharma and the research scholars Muskan Datta. And now I'm looking forward to attend with all of you this great conference of the decade 2021. I wish you all the best, and I hope that all of you will be contributing and you will be attending this conference. And I just tell you that the takeaways are going to be immense from this conference. I want to thank you, every one of you, and hope to see you for this conference very soon. All the best to everyone. Thank you very much.